Let me show you how to create a dramatic time freeze effect using Capcut. If this tutorial helps, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's dive straight in. Go ahead and start by opening your project and importing your video into the media library. Drag it onto the timeline and find the exact moment that you want to freeze. Once you've found the perfect frame, position the playhead over it and click the Freeze button in the toolbar. This will turn the frame into a still image and insert it into your timeline. You can adjust how long the freeze lasts by dragging its edges, short for suspense or longer for a dramatic pause. To enhance the effect, then go to the Effects tab and add something that matches the mood, like glow for a surreal look or blur for added energy. Layer effects if you want to get creative. Next, add sound effects from the Audio tab, like a camera shutter, record scratch, or swoosh perhaps, and align them with the freeze frame for more impact. To make this transition back to the moving video seamless, use transitions like flash or glitch, adjusting them to fit the scene's tone. For a final touch, you could add some text during the freeze. Whatever fits the context, you could even add a vignette effect to focus attention on the action. When everything is set, preview the video and tweak the settings as needed. Once you're satisfied, you're done. Click export to save your work and that's it. You've now created an epic time freeze effect in Capcut.